Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. If you open up the WhatsApp application and within your contacts, if you try to look at their pictures, but you see that the pictures are blurry, then there might be a few reasons behind this. The main reason is that your internet connection is not working smoothly. So first of all, check that you are connected to a strong internet connection or a data connection, and also probably open up another app that uses the internet and see if it's working just fine. If the application is working well, then your internet is good to go. The other reason might be that they have uploaded a picture which might not be the best in quality. But if the blurry profile picture is in your account, then open up the application and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From there, simply tap on settings, and now you will be shown your profile picture alongside your username. You can simply tap on your profile name and you will be able to upload a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon. Make sure that you upload a high resolution image so that your image doesn't appear blurry in the profile picture. After you upload a profile picture, you can check your account picture by tapping on the three dots once again from the WhatsApp homepage and then tapping on settings. And now, considering that you checked your internet quality and found it to be good enough, and also uploaded a good quality profile picture, you will find that the blurry profile picture issue has been fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix blurry profile pictures on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.